That's the call as always.
The civil authorities have issued a child abduction emergency for all of Utah, beginning at 4:02 p.m. and ending at 9:02 p.m. This is a non-family abduction. The first suspect is identified as Test.
The child abduction emergency for all of Utah, effective until
The
April
civil
3rd.
authorities have issued a child abduction emergency for all of Utah, beginning at 4:02 p.m. and ending at 9:02 p.m. This is a non-family abduction identified by police as Test.
He is
He is
5 feet 10 inches tall, weighing 160 pounds.
weighing
He
100
has brown hair and brown eyes and tattooed.
He's 3 inches tall, weighing about 40 pounds.
Visa gift card.
The abduction happened at this location.
The
The
abduction
suspect
victim
was
was
driving a
identified by
white
police as
2025 Honda
He
Civic.
was 5
The
and was
license
wearing
plate
white
number
Charlie
111. If you have any information, please call police at 1
He is 3 feet 3 inches tall, weighing about 40 pounds. The abduction happened at test
or simply
location.
dial 9
The suspect was driving a white 2025 Honda Civic with license plate number 111.
Focused on public
The suspect was driving a white 2025 or simply dial 911. Please call police at 111 or simply dial 911.